Welcome back everybody, or welcome if you're new. Today we're going to be making some quick and easy refrigerator pickles or instant pickles, and this will come together quick. Right here I've got, it's supposed to be 1 cup of onions, but I've got 2. I like onions in them. We got 7 cups of cucumbers sliced, not peeled. This is for the brine. I'm going to be making a double batch of it, so I've got 4 cups of sugar, 2 cups of vinegar, 2 teaspoons of celery seed, and 4 teaspoons of salt. I've got the cucumbers and the onions. I'm going to kind of layer these so it'll be easier to put them in the jars. Now I'm going to put my vinegar and my sugar, the celery seed. Celery seed should have went in the cucumbers and onions, but I'm just going to put it in the, it's fine. And the salt. I'm going to mix this until the sugar dissolves, and if I can't do that, sometimes I can't get the sugar to dissolve very good in it, so I put it on the stove just a couple minutes till it dissolves and then let it cool. We'll see how this does. I got this recipe from my mother-in-law years ago. These are really good. It's one of Daniel and Doug's favorite. I'll keep stirring this, see if it dissolves, and if not, I'll show you what I do. Okay, couldn't get the sugar to dissolve very well. In the original recipe, you don't heat the sugar up or anything, but I'm going to just to get it dissolved. I've done this before and it works just fine. Don't want to bring it to boil or anything, just to get the sugar to dissolve. It's going to be just a minute. I'll be back. Okay, now I'm going to just set this to the back and I'm going to let this cool before I pour it over the cucumbers. Okay, usually for the recipe you put the vinegars, the brine in here and mix it all up and then put the stuff in the jars, but I'm going to do something different today. I'm going to try just putting the stuff in the jars and then pouring the liquid over top of it. I've got these packed in here because they're going to shrink up. They'll go less in a few days. Okay, my brine is cooled down. I'm going to pour in the jars. Hoping I'll have enough. I'm going to have to make some more. Yep, I'm going to have to make maybe a half of a batch. But anyway, that's all you do. I'm going to put a lid on this, put it in the refrigerator, and a couple days, 3 days, should be ready to start eating. Also, you can put, the recipe calls for sweet peppers too, sweet pepper rings. You can put that in there. Probably anything you want to pickle, you know, like a sweet pickle. But I want to thank y'all for watching. I hope you have a blessed day and come back and see us.